My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Okay, so I'm gonna be trying these Vicily eyelashes and eyeliner kit, no glue, non-magnetic, fake eyelashes set. So 3 pairs with liquid eyeliner, mascara, and tweezers. So this company contacted me and they were like, you know, if you buy our product and, you know, do a review of it, we'll refund you the amount of the product. So you basically be getting it for free to review it. I'm like, okay, cool. So I bought it. I sent them all the information of my order, and then I never heard back from them. So I'm kind of pissed about it, and I'm probably just going to send this back, but I figured, I'm like, I might as well try it before I send it back. So it was $21.99, and I was gonna do it the other day, but okay, so this eyeliner came with this little piece out, and it said press the piece down and wait 5 minutes for the tip to be completely saturated with product, because it was originally all white. So I waited like 5 minutes and it was still completely white, so I'm like, I'm just gonna wait overnight. So it finally did all go to the tip. So let's try it. Let me get the instructions. Apply the eyeliner along your natural lash line. Put the cap on after application in case the eyeliner dries. Okay, I do have some eyeliner down already because I wanted to do a wing, but I didn't want to do it with this. So I'm just going to put it over my lid. And let's see. It's actually just like a regular liquid liner, and not like a magnetic one that's like really thick and like hard to spread. Okay. So I'm going to do another coat. Okay, wait for the liner to dry. Well, it says curl your natural lashes and apply mascara. Well, it actually says apply the mascara. Wait for the liner to dry and then put Vicily lashes on it with tweezers. So I guess I will put some mascara on. I'm gonna use this YSL, what's it called? Foxy Mascara Volume. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for that to dry. I don't know how long it should take. So it does come with 3 pairs. There's one underneath. Okay, so there's 2 here, and then a third one. I'll try it without. Let me see if it's dry. Oh wow. It actually worked. No magnets, no like adhesive. Oh my gosh, that was just like a regular black liner. Oh, I'm mad that they were freaking assholes and unprofessional. Didn't get back to me. I kind of wanted to hate it, but I don't. Well, let me not get ahead of myself. I'm gonna have to see if they last and all that jazz. Oh, I didn't even use the tweezers. Here, I'll use them for this. Wow, they're on there. That's crazy. Wow. Okay. Let me highlight my inner corner. And we're gonna have to see how these wear. Okay, so I'm gonna check back with you guys after I've worn them for a few hours and let you know how they're holding up. Okay, so I'm gonna try these Visibly lashes one more time. When I did film it earlier, they started to come off after about an hour and a half, and then I took them off and I took a nap, and I never woke up from my nap. So I'm gonna do it again, and another reason I wanted to film me applying them again is because this time I don't have any liner on, so you'll be able to see what this liner looks like. So let's get started. The one thing that's like blew me away about this is legit just like a regular liquid liner. Like, compared to like the magnetic liner, it's like can be very thick and a little bit hard to apply. Let me show you. So here is some magnetic liner. See how it's like it's kind of watery and it's a lot thicker. So I'm thinking that maybe I'm gonna need to make the eyeliner band thicker, and maybe that's why they weren't staying on as long. Alright, so now I'm going to let that dry. Alright, I mean, they're definitely on there. But the question is, how long will they stay? So I'm just gonna have to keep them on and see how long. This one's already starting to come up off in the corner. I'm gonna have to make it thicker in the inner corner of my eye. Yeah, that feels a little bit better. Okay, so here is what they look like. Now let's see how long they will stay on. All right, I'll be back. Okay, I have tried these lashes for the last and final time. They're starting to come up on the end here. Well, I mean, I kind of moved it back, but they're just not very secure. Yeah, like the concept is great and they work great in the beginning, but they just do not last. So maybe if like you're only going somewhere for an hour, then these would work, but otherwise, yeah, I wouldn't waste your money on these. All right, this has been like the longest process trying to, you know, really give these a chance to see if they perform well, but unfortunately they didn't. I wish they had because it's awesome, but what are you gonna do? Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next time.